So,
yes!
we're gonna shave off my friend's eyebrows.
These eyebrows are gonna go fucking away. See the camera? By the way, I'm fucking scared. I'm fucking scared. I'm actually shitting my pants. Not really.
Alright.
That's alright.
It's gonna be kind of nerdy.
Goodbye, eyebrows. This is the last time I'm seeing you. Let's go. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like eyebrowless. Oh damn.
The other one. Unless you just want one eyebrow.
No, fuck no. I'm at no eyebrow lady. Oh fuck, look at me.
I don't have any eyebrows either, so it's okay.
I wanna go feed myself real fast.
Hold on, let me kind of shave it a little more.
Oh my god, I'm like no eyebrow. Okay, let me go see real fast.
Hand me my makeup bag and I'll draw you on some eyebrows.
I am eyebrowless. You cannot tell my emotions right now. Not okay.
On the bright side, now when you get mad, you just draw an angry eyebrow.
Just be like, fuck yes.
I'm angry.
I look like a cancer lady. Look at my eyes. My eyes are like gone.
What is with me in this place and shit? Okay, I found it. Good. Those look nice. I'm proud of myself. This is your eyebrows. See that? 'Cause they're nice. Hey.